Oppo Reno series smartphone.
Right. First of all, I'm super excited for the Oppo fans out there, and I'm so amazed with this new invention or innovation. And it's the fact that it still embodies Oppo's design DNA, but in the inside, this phone is totally different from the rest of Oppo phones so far. And it comes with two colors, ocean green and jet black, and which looks so elegant and luxurious. And when it comes to getting a phone, the design has to be stylish and timeless. At least for me. And for this, I have to say that Oppo's, the new model Oppo Reno series has checked all the boxes for me when it comes to design and the colorways.
You're right, because Oppo's always come up with this kind of phone which is aesthetically and technologically, even the
Have you showered this morning?
Being also like this. Alright, and especially come up these two colors, these two super amazing colors, the jet black color and also the ocean greens. Alright, so both phones, colors and designs looks really perfect. And you can see that these phones boast a panoramic full screen with a sleek of unified body.
Right.
And the body of the phone is seamless without any opening on its back. And the rear cameras are completely hidden under the glass back.
Exactly. And the fact that this phone has zero camera bulge at the back of the phone, and it comes with protective O-dot structure to avoid scratches.
Wow, that's super amazing. And of course, okay, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the tiniest details for, Oppo's always come out, even the tiniest details, right, for their consumer. So this is the new Oppo Reno 10 times zoom. So what are the features that actually caught your attention and why?
For me, we know that Oppo is constantly striving to offer the best to the market. And I'm sure that everyone is familiar with the feature that we highlighted from the previous Oppo phone, which is the Ultra Night Mode feature. And as for this one, it has been upgraded to Ultra Night Mode 2.0.
Wow, that sounds really cool.
After
Because sometimes we love to take photos in party, in the night view, and we can see some nice photos over here, ladies and gentlemen.
Right, super clear.
Well, look at those details.
And not blur at all.
Alright, the Reno 10 times zoom able to make the photos look so bright. And of course, it provides the detailed face protection. Once again, I'm going to talk one more time about this. The detailed face protection during the night shot. So to ensure that all faces will not blur out or dark. And it captures perfectly. The Ultra Night Mode 2.0 can leverage AI, HDR, multi-frame noise reduction to enable users to achieve the levels of brightness and details that normally exceed the limits of human eyes. So now you see we have all these 9 photos taken under even the low light conditions. And of course, I love this, the night mode too. It's awesome because apart from the Ultra Night Mode 2.0, Neelofa would like to share with us any other features that you'd like to share.
I want to also share my experience shooting 4K videos with this phone. It's amazing because this device supported dual OIS, which means that you can capture 4K videos in 60 frame per second. Am I right?
60 frame FPS. 60 FPS, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
And of course, again, 4K videos feature is able to capture a really clear and stable image in any kind of situations. And of course, this comes with the audio focus technology as well that uses multiple microphones from the phones to record the surrounding sounds. Alright, I'm just going to give you an example here. So when you zoom to someone, the audio will focus and it will be activated and only focus and record to that particular person's voice. Alright.
Once again, I think if I were to record the features for this phone with the Ultra Night Mode 2.0 and the 4K video recording, Oppo gives me the chance, to share my unique stories and lifestyles to everyone, and most importantly, to unleash everyone's creativity in their lives.
Well, that's the words, alright? To unleash creativity, and I can't wait to see more amazing videos and photos from you, Neelofa. Thank you very much once again for joining us this morning. Thank you. Another big hands to Neelofa. Thank you so much. Move back to your seat and continue to enjoy the rest of the morning here with us at Oppo event. Thank you once again.